Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Jalen.
And I'm Brandon. We'll start with today's lunch. Today for lunch we'll be having sloppy joes, baked beans, cucumbers, potato wedges, carrots, frozen treat, and as always, a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Coco Nimbo, passed freshman English.
Probably do more activities and don't try to have so much free time, I guess.
My name is Hannah Miles, and my advice to my freshman self would be ask questions and don't get behind on things.
Hello, my name is Lana Hendershot. My advice to freshmen is to do wrestling.
I'm Brenna Hollis, and I would love...
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
It's quagmire. A soft, boggy area of land that gives way underfoot.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston S. Churchill.
With everyone getting their Halloween costumes ready, we want to know, what is your favorite Halloween candy?
My name is Cheyenne, and my favorite Halloween candy is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
My name's Abby Corcoran, and my favorite Halloween candy is Twix.
Hello, I'm Adler Andrew Kuntz, and my favorite Halloween candy is probably like them Reese's Pieces or them Lifesaver gummies. Like, give me like a bag of those, they're gone.
My name is Jake Holcomb, and my favorite Halloween candy is Twix.
My name is Lupita De La Rosa, and my favorite Halloween candy is Reese's.
Hi, my name is Hannah Miles, and my favorite Halloween candy, I like Kit Kats or those like little Hershey bars.
Hi, my name is Xavier Folster, and my favorite candy would be Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
Speaking of favorite candy, let's hear about some of your favorite advice you would give to your past self.
Hello, I'm Harrison West, and here are today's top 5 news stories. 1. Toys R Us opening new store in Town East. 2. St. Louis named Best U.S. City for Single People. 3. Oklahoma State Department of Education dropping its America First exam for teachers. 4. Amazon looking to replace 600,000 workers with robots. 5. Study finds school cell phone bans boost test scores.
As the week beginning to dry out, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I am Kayla, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 59 degrees with mostly sunny skies and winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight we will have a low of 34 degrees with mostly clear skies.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
Something wriggling out of the shadow like a gray snake. Now it's another one, and another one, and another one.
October 30th, 1938. A fictional invasion by Martians on the radio spooks Americans on Halloween Eve.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's indescribable. I can hardly force myself to keep looking at it. It's so awful. With eyes that black and they leave my stuff in the mouth.
As the live drama The War of the Worlds starring Orson Welles airs on CBS. The play's fake news reports panic some listeners who think the Martian invasion is real. 1998. In Nicaragua, a mudslide caused by Hurricane Mitch kills at least 2,000 people. 1974. It's the rumble in the jungle in Zaire, now known as the Democratic Republic of Congo. Muhammad Ali knocks out George Foreman in the 8th round of a 15-round bout, regaining his world heavyweight title. And 2000.
I want to give you the bad news first. This program is going to go on forever. Boy, you think you're tired now.
Steve Allen, comedian, TV host, author, and composer, dies in Encino, California. Allen, the first host of NBC's Tonight Show, was 78 years old. Today in history, October 30th. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.